throwback to when I studied in Seoul, South Korea with zero knowledge of the Korean language. Now I may have some knowledge of Korean, but it's been about 5 years since I left, so I already forgot some words, especially since I don't use it often. Now that I want to revisit Korea and be able to travel around with more confidence and ease, I decided to take Korean lessons to refresh my memory and become more fluent in the language. I'm glad to have discovered Bahay Turo. I actually have been taking Korean lessons with them and it has been an amazing experience. They offer personalized one-on-one lessons that are tailored to my level, which helps me focus on my needs and goals in the language. I actually was a bit nervous at first because I wasn't sure if I would be able to catch up, but Sansing Nim Aljan has been patient and kind with me as I relearned the basics of Hangul and is always ready to answer my questions no matter how trivial they may seem. So if you're looking to travel again now that restrictions are easing up, I highly recommend you to check them out. Bahay Turo offers online Korean and many others that are not only fun but also effective. You can even take your first class for free when you sign up on bahayturo.com. So what are you waiting for?